there, I'm selling on db.dk, this Danish website, this camera. It's a Nikon Coolpix in pink color. It has a cover to protect the LCD camera, and yeah, it's in working condition, but it doesn't have the button here. However, I'll show you that you can still make it work. So here I'm going to show you that it's working. Okay, so, and then if I press hard, because you have to put some pressure, so I focus and then I take the picture. See? And then there's a picture there. So I can see the pictures here. Yeah, so if I want to zoom in, I do this. If I want to zoom out, I do this. And yeah, there are some pictures there that I've been taking with this camera. Yes, these were yesterday. This was like some days ago. Selfies last week, I think. Today I'm not very creative, but I put a piece of rubber, you know, this pencil eraser here where the shutter button was. So you just try to pretend that there's an original button there, and then you press, and then it takes a picture. But I'm sure you might find another way to put something that stays there, and you can use it. You can use it even without the this piece of rubber, but then you have to press a bit hard. But I think you learn how to do it. You can see. Yes, you have to press if you are not using something there. You have to press a bit harder than normal, but 1, 2, yeah. See? So the camera is working. You only need to put something in this place, and if you want to, you can also use it without it. So I'm repeating that this camera is working, but there's this thing missing. The shutter button is missing. So I hope this description is enough for you, and if you have any questions, just drop the questions in the message area. Bye bye.